You can log in to ADILAS.biz through the ADILAS 420 website by selecting Go to Login ADILAS.biz. You can also go directly to the ADILAS.biz website by typing in your browser www.adilas.biz. Once on the main website, you can select Go to Login page. You must first enter your corporation key, which is issued by your administrator. This will allow you access to any corporations within your company's website. Select Continue to Login. Next, you will enter your username and password as issued by your administrator and select Login. Your company may have multiple corporations within their database. If this is the case, you'll need to select the corporation that you want to work in. Users will only get permissions for the corporations in which they are allowed access. You will receive an error message if the corporation is not entered. If you get locked out, ADILAS provides a quick way to reset your browser. You will receive an error message indicating that your login has exceeded the allowable attempts. Simply select Main Login Help file. The system will provide you with a link that you can copy and paste into your browser in order to reset your browser settings. If you have forgotten your username or password, you'll have to contact your administrator.
Also, it would be wise for administrators to set up preferences for users or employees through the password and profile settings. Sometimes employers will give employees permissions to update their own password and profiles. With permissions, the password and profile icons will appear at the top of your header.
This is a tutorial on how to change your password and profile and set settings and defaults. The passwords and profiles can be assigned by each individual user. So from the classic homepage, if you select your password and profile, you can, with permissions, change your first name, last name information, as well as all of the email, username, and password, address, etc. You can also update your phone number. So also you can select My Settings and Defaults. This is where you can set your default locations, your cart and invoice types, your PO types, your expense payment defaults. This is really great for facilities that only accept cash. You can set the default payment type to be cash. These quick settings allow you to save a lot of time, especially within the shopping cart, and just a quick second when you're creating purchase orders, and you can choose what type of purchase order you're doing. Of course, a cultivator by default will be doing a plant production order. It would be helpful for you to select that type of default PO. All dispensary agents will also have the option of whether or not they want their cart favorites to come through in Flash or HTML. I've actually heard preferences for the HTML, so I would recommend that setting unless for some reason that doesn't work with the browser that you're using. So pretty simple. You can update and save your settings, and if you select more options, you can grab some quick links to do some other things. This is, again, a quick tutorial on how to update your password and profile, usernames, passwords, default settings in the system to save you a quick minute.
You should also now know how to log in. Once you are logged in, you can use your header, which you can find on any page, to toggle over Home. And under Home, you can either switch corps. If you've got multiple corporations, you'll see this option for Switch Corp, or you can actually just log out to return to the main ADILAS homepage.